How to make dark mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to make dark mode on TikTok. Firstly, open your TikTok app and navigate to the For You page. Next, access your profile page by clicking on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Once on your profile, look for the three lines in the top right corner and click on them. This will open the settings and privacy menu. Scroll down until you find the display option and click on it. Within the display settings, you will see options for both light mode and dark mode. You can toggle between them based on your preference. Turn on the mode that suits your needs. If you want to switch back, simply repeat the process. This will customize the appearance of your TikTok app to either light mode or dark mode. There you go, you have successfully made dark mode on TikTok. That's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.